everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shohini Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm gonna share my Nykaa haul. Now it has been really long that I have done a Nykaa haul. I have been doing Amazon haul and previously I used to do Nykaa haul a lot, but बीच में मैंने छोड़ दिया. But no, I'm back again. लेकिन इस बार मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा shopping नहीं किया है. Honestly, it's not a huge haul. There are only 6 to 7 products which I wanted to try and I'm definitely going to show it to you. So there is also one PR package which I'm gonna show it in the end because that is a PR. I haven't bought it, but it's a new launch in Nykaa. Okay, so that is what I'm gonna show you. But before that, let me just quickly share the products which I have bought. So let's begin. Alright, so you know I love false eyelashes and I have been checking Swiss Beauty products a lot because I'm planning to do a full face of Swiss Beauty, as you all know. So recently they have launched, Swiss Beauty have launched a lot of eyelashes. Oh my god, I actually bought one of them earlier but वो पहनने के टाइम ना टूट गया था. लगाने के टाइम टूट गया था, which was really a bummer, but still I had to try few of them. So this time I've got two. मैंने एक्चुअली ऐड टू कार्ट किया था 7 आई थिंक या 6 to 7 बट वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो गया जल्दी सो आई गॉट ओनली 2 ऑफ देम. तो ये अगर अच्छा लगा ना देन आई एम गोना रीस्टॉक और बाय द न्यू designs. Okay, so there are 2 of them as I mentioned. This is Winky. Let me just show you up close. This is Winky, as you can see. Yeah, and this one is Diego and this is how it looks. So I'm super excited to try both of them actually. Okay, so the price they have mentioned here is 99 rupees, but honestly I got it for 60 to 70 rupees, which is very cheap. And if this works, definitely go ahead and buy it. But I will let you know. And again, if you have tried it, let me know if you like it or not. Okay, next up, अगर falsies के बारे में बात करें तो glue बहुत ही important है, as you all know. So I do have this PAC lash fixer. Now I always go for the transparent one. I have already restocked it. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the one I actually use it right now and this is the new one I got. I absolutely love this. Now they do also have the black lash glue and I have never tried black one. So recently I did a full glitter look and उस पे ना क्या होता है कि lash नहीं अटकता, नहीं चिपकता बोलते हैं. तो I tried the black one and I was like, I'm done. I applied it like a liner and I sticked my falsies on top of it and it worked so amazingly. So I really like it. I mean, if I'm going for a black smoky eye or a glitter look, I'm definitely gonna use the black one. And let me show you the packaging as well. So here is the black and here is the transparent one. Okay, now the prices is very similar. It's 450 for the transparent one and also the black one. So use whatever you like, but this eyelash glue is my favorite and I would highly recommend it. Right, next up, okay, so during Durga Puja I was going out with Deblina a lot. We went to party and she suggested me to try one of the Etude House product, which is a new launch. This is their powder rouge lipstick or tint. Yes, tint. So she suggested me to try this one out and I had to buy it. I haven't swatched it yet क्योंकि मुझे ये कैमरा पे swatch करना था. And this is how it looks like. As you can see, definitely lovely packaging. It retails for rupees 850, which is not affordable I would say, but let's try. Okay, I don't know how to open it. Okay, you have to just open it like this. Okay, it's a okay, dummy. So you have to twist it and open this and this is how the wand is going to look like. I'm gonna swatch it right here. लाइट का कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ, आई एम सो सॉरी. एक लाइट बंद था, अचानक से जलने लगा. Anyway, so this is the color. It's so pretty. Oh my god. And it's so creamy, you guys. Very nice. Pigmented as well. Let me try it on my cheeks a little bit. It's very pigmented, very. I'm gonna apply a little bit. Not too much क्योंकि powder already powder लगाया हुआ है, so it won't look that great right now and it won't blend it. The color is lovely. I love the color, you guys. Oh, so pretty. And thank you, Deblina, for suggesting this. So as I bought this Etude House powder rouge tint, I got this Sung Jung Hydro Barrier Cream. I have heard great reviews about this, and I'm definitely very excited to try this out. Okay, next is a restock, and I've got my Whisper Cola Soft Double Hug Wings pad, sanitary pads. I love this. It's super soft, no rashes, no itchiness, nothing, and it's so very soft, you guys. Trust me, I'm actually doing my extensions a lot, so that is why I'm not going for, you know, menstrual cups, just going for sanitary pads. Okay, lastly, I've got two MAC brushes. Now this one I already have, but this is a different one. MAC 217S. I have the MAC 217, so it's a little longer, as you can see, and the other one I've got is a MAC 239S. It is a shader kind of a smudger brush, so I actually do smoky eyes or smudged eyes a lot in my like go to day life, so that is why these two brushes are definitely very handy. So yeah, the prices I'm going to mention it in the description box below. So those are the products I've bought from Nykaa. Now let me show you what they have launched in Nykaa. Okay, so recently they have launched nude sticks. Now they already had nude sticks previously, but they have launched few new products, and this is a PR package which I have received from Nykaa. Let me show you. So this is how the PR package looks like, and here are the products. There are blushes, bronzer and highlighter. So I'm going to start with the bronzer. The first shade I'm going to swatch is Beach Babe, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to swatch it right here. Blush, kind of a bronzer shade, not proper bronze. I can't like use this for proper bronzing. It's like a blush bronze kind of a color. Next one is Terracotta Tan, and this looks very beautiful. Okay, it's like my own skin. Honestly, I hope you can see that color. Next up, I'm gonna swatch is a highlighter. This is called Bubbly Bee. Honestly, I've already tried this on my face and I absolutely love the color. You can see it's a little sticky, honestly, but after some times it looks and feels like powder. Now I'm gonna swatch the blushes. This is a Nude Peach, and this is how it looks like. I'm gonna swatch it here. This is Nude Peach. This is Salty Siren. It's a gorgeous shade. Wow. Yes. Next is Tiger Lily Queen. Whoa, this is kind of a bright one. Okay, this is definitely little patchy. And lastly, we have Sweet Peach Peony, and I'm gonna swatch it right here. This is the shade. So for my skin tone, if you're in my skin tone, you can try this bronzer shades, highlighter, and also this one. This is called Salty Siren. It's going to look very pretty. So yeah, those were the nude sticks, beach and peachy blushes, bronzers and highlighter they have launched on Nykaa. So yeah, that is it, you guys. That was my Nykaa haul and also this PR package unboxing. I am going to mention product details down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. And we have already hit 60k subscribers. Oh my god, it feels so good. And thank you so much guys for subscribing and keep supporting. I love you all so much. And if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.